Listen carefully.
Abduction. Abduction.
Taking someone away by force or without permission.
Aiding and abetting. Aiding and abetting.
Helping or encouraging someone to commit a crime.
Aircraft hijacking. Aircraft hijacking.
Illegally taking control of an aircraft.
Animal abandonment. Animal abandonment.
Leaving a pet or animal without care or shelter.
Animal abuse. Animal abuse.
Hurting or treating an animal in a cruel way.
Armed robbery. Armed robbery.
Stealing from someone while using a weapon.
Arms trafficking. Arms trafficking.
Buying or selling weapons illegally.
Arson. Arson.
Intentionally setting fire to property or a building.
Assassination. Assassination.
Killing an important or famous person on purpose.
Assault. Assault.
Attacking or threatening someone with intent to harm.
Attempted murder. Attempted murder.
Trying to kill someone, but not succeeding.
Battery. Battery.
Illegal physical contact that harms or offends someone.
Bigamy. Bigamy.
Being married to two people at the same time.
Blackmail. Blackmail.
Demanding money by threatening to reveal damaging information.
Breaking and entering. Breaking and entering.
Illegally entering a building, often by force.
Bribery. Bribery.
Giving or taking money or gifts to influence a decision.
Burglary. Burglary.
Entering a building illegally to commit a crime, usually theft.
Child abuse. Child abuse.
Harming a child physically, emotionally, or sexually.
Child neglect. Child neglect.
Failing to give a child needed care or protection.
Collusion. Collusion.
Secret agreement to cheat others, often in business.
Conspiracy to murder. Conspiracy to murder.
Agreeing with others to kill someone.
Corruption. Corruption.
Abusing power or office for personal gain.
Cyberbullying. Cyberbullying.
Bullying or harassing someone online or by phone.
Disorderly conduct. Disorderly conduct.
Disruptive or unsafe behavior in public.
Domestic violence. Domestic violence.
Violence or abuse within a family or intimate relationship.
Doxxing. Doxxing.
Publishing someone's private info online to harm them.
Drug manufacturing. Drug manufacturing.
Making illegal drugs.
Drug possession. Drug possession.
Having illegal drugs.
Drug trafficking. Drug trafficking.
Transporting or selling illegal drugs.
Drunk driving. Drunk driving.
Driving after drinking alcohol over the legal limit.
Embezzlement. Embezzlement.
Stealing money you were trusted to manage.
Espionage. Espionage.
Spying to obtain secret information for a group or country.
Extortion. Extortion.
Forcing someone to give money by threats or pressure.
False advertising. False advertising.
using misleading or untrue claims in ads.
False imprisonment. False imprisonment.
Illegally keeping someone from leaving.
Food safety violations. Food safety violations.
Breaking rules meant to keep food safe.
Forced labor. Forced labor.
Work done under threats or without freedom to refuse.
Forgery of documents. Forgery of documents.
Making or changing documents to cheat others.
Fraud. Fraud.
Lying or cheating to get money or advantage.
Genocide. Genocide.
Acts intended to destroy a national, ethnic, racial, or religious group.
Hate crimes. Hate crimes.
Crime against someone for their race, religion, etc.
Hate speech. Hate speech.
Speech that attacks or insults a protected group.
Hit and run. Hit and run.
Causing an accident and leaving without stopping.
Homicide. Homicide.
The unlawful killing of a person.
Human trafficking. Human trafficking.
Trading or moving people for forced work or sex.
Identity theft. Identity theft.
Using someone's personal data to pretend to be them.
Illegal dumping. Illegal dumping.
Throwing waste in places where it's not allowed.
Illegal filming. Illegal filming.
Secretly recording someone in a private place.
Illegal gambling. Illegal gambling.
Running or joining gambling that is not allowed by law.
Illegal logging. Illegal logging.
Cutting or selling timber without permission or licenses.
Impersonating a police officer. Impersonating a police officer.
Pretending to be a police officer to deceive others.
Indecent exposure. Indecent exposure.
Showing one's private parts in a public place.
Insider trading. Insider trading.
Buying or selling stocks using secret, non-public information.
Insurance fraud. Insurance fraud.
Lying to an insurer to get money you don't deserve.
Involuntary manslaughter. Involuntary manslaughter.
Killing someone by reckless or negligent behavior, not on purpose.
Jaywalking. Jaywalking.
Crossing a street illegally or outside a crosswalk.
Kidnapping. Kidnapping.
Taking and holding someone by force, often for ransom.
Libel. Libel.
Written false statements that damage someone's reputation.
Littering. Littering.
Leaving trash in public places instead of proper bins.
Looting. Looting.
Stealing from stores or homes during a disaster or unrest.
Money counterfeiting. Money counterfeiting.
Making or using fake money.
Money laundering. Money laundering.
Hiding the illegal source of money by moving it through businesses or accounts.
Mugging. Mugging.
Attacking someone in public to steal from them.
Murder. Murder.
Intentionally killing another person.
Obstruction of justice. Obstruction of justice.
Interfering with an investigation, trial, or evidence.
Perjury. Perjury.
Lying under oath in court.
Phone tapping. Phone tapping.
secretly listening to or recording phone calls.
Pickpocketing. Pickpocketing.
Stealing from someone's pockets or bag without them noticing.
Pilfering. Pilfering.
Stealing small amounts or low-value items.
Poaching. Poaching.
Illegally hunting, catching, or trading wildlife.
Possession of an illegal weapon. Possession of an illegal weapon.
Having a weapon the law forbids you to own.
Price fixing. Price fixing.
Secretly agreeing with competitors to set prices.
Probation violation. Probation violation.
Breaking the rules set by a court during probation.
Prostitution. Prostitution.
Selling sexual services for money.
Public intoxication. Public intoxication.
Being drunk or high in a public place.
Pyramid scheme. Pyramid scheme.
A recruiting-based scam that pays earlier members with new members' money.
Racism. Racism.
Unfair treatment or beliefs against people because of their race.
Rape. Rape.
Sexual activity forced on someone or without consent.
Reckless driving. Reckless driving.
Driving in a dangerous way, ignoring safety.
Riot. Riot.
Violent public disorder.
Sedition. Sedition.
Encouraging people to rebel against the government.
Sexual assault. Sexual assault.
Any sexual act against someone without consent.
Sexual harassment. Sexual harassment.
Unwanted sexual comments, behavior, or pressure.
Shoplifting. Shoplifting.
Stealing goods from a store.
Slander. Slander.
Spoken false statements that harm someone's reputation.
Smuggling. Smuggling.
Moving goods or people illegally across borders.
Solicitation. Solicitation.
Asking or urging someone to commit a crime.
Speeding. Speeding.
Driving faster than the speed limit.
Stalking. Stalking.
Repeatedly following or harassing someone, causing fear.
Stock manipulation. Stock manipulation.
Illegally moving a stock's price using false info or trades.
Tampering with evidence. Tampering with evidence.
Hiding, changing, or destroying evidence.
Tax evasion. Tax evasion.
Illegally avoiding paying taxes.
Terrorism. Terrorism.
Violence against civilians to achieve political goals.
Theft. Theft.
Taking someone's property without permission.
Treason. Treason.
Betraying one's country, especially helping its enemies.
Trespassing. Trespassing.
Entering property without permission.
Unauthorized use of a vehicle. Unauthorized use of a vehicle.
Using a vehicle without the owner's consent.
Unlawful assembly. Unlawful assembly.
A group gathering illegally or likely to disturb public order.
Vandalism. Vandalism.
Damaging or destroying property on purpose.
Workplace harassment. Workplace harassment.
Repeated mistreatment at work, like bullying or sexual pressure. Good job! See you next time!